Thank you for watching the ThinkSmart installation DVD. First off, we'll just talk about some of the pages that you should have received in the mail. The first page is your basic floor installation instructions. Second page is your basic rafter installation instructions. The third page is your tool checklist. We'll go over that just real brief. You want to have a ladder, drop cloth, extension cord, lights bright enough to light the entire attic up, razor knife, staple gun, dust mask, plank board so you can move around the attic comfortably, tape measure, aluminum tape, push stick, fans to keep the attic cool, coveralls, colored duct tape for walkways, camelback is optional, and knee pads. The last page is the tips to keep the attic cool. Of course, in the summertime it gets pretty hot, so you want to get to the job early in the morning. Putting a fan in the attic opening helps cool the attic. If doing a rafter install, you can cover the side that the sun's coming up on first. And if it's a small home, you can spray water on the roof, which also keeps the attic cool. And of course, drink plenty of water. During a rafter install, you want to start at one end wall and work your way to your other end wall. Of course, you want to start at the bottom and work your way to your ridge vent. Make sure that you allow enough air to breathe through your soffit vent. A couple tricks that you can use for this type of install would be to use plank boards to be more comfortable, and also to use a chalk line to make sure that your line is straight on your material. Right here on any rafter cuts, you'll just want to make sure you cut right down the middle of each 2x4. When you get to the ridge vent, make sure that you bring your material 6 to 8 inches down from the ridge vent. Even if you don't have a ridge vent, make sure you still leave it open, because in the future, if they ever get one, it'll be open and be ready. When doing a floor install, make sure you start from one end wall, work to the other end wall. Also, if you see any can lighting, cut out around that, and also watch out for any wires that you don't cut through any wires. When you run into any can lighting, make sure that you cover the can lighting and then cut out around it.